The sides of a triangle are 32, 40 and 66. Find the angle measure of the greatest angle. Okay, let us begin. So here we have a triangle whose sides are given to us, but these sides are not equal, which means that this is going to be an oblique triangle. So let us first name the sides. Let's say side A corresponds to 32 units, that side B corresponds to 40 units, and the side C that corresponds to 66 units. Okay, so in our triangle, so we have the A that is going to be equals to 32 units. Then we have the next side B, so B is going to be 40 units. And then we have the side C is going to be of 66 units. So here we have a triangle. Let's also name the vertices of the triangle, but there is a procedure to do that. Now let's say we consider the angle which is opposite to side A, that is going to be the angle. So we're going to denote it by the letter A in uppercase. Then for the side B equals to 40, we're going to consider the angle that is opposite to it. We're going to denote it by the letter B in uppercase. And then the remaining vertex, we're going to denote it by the letter C in uppercase as well. That is going to be the angle opposite to C equals to 66 units. So here we need to find out the angle measure of the greatest angle. Now clearly we see here that the third side, or you can say the side AB with a measure of 66 units, that is the longest side of the triangle, which means that angle C, that is going to be the greatest angle. So here our goal will be to determine the value of C. Okay, so our goal will be to find out the angle measure of C. Now to find out the angle measure of C, we are going to take the help of the law of cosine. The law of cosine states that if we take the cosine of the angle C, this is going to be a ratio. Now how we define the ratio? We take the sides that are adjacent to angle C. Those are side A and side B. So what we'll do, we're going to take the sum of the squares of these two sides. So we have A squared plus B squared. And from this, we are going to subtract the square of the opposite side. So that means AB squared, or we can say simply C squared. This is going to get divided by 2 times the product of the adjacent side. So we have A times B. Okay, fine. So next what we have here, we're going to substitute with the respective values. We have 32 squared added to B, so that is 40 squared minus C squared means we have 66 squared divided by 2 times 32 times 40. So this is going to be the angle measure of cosine of C. So that means this comes out to be equals to negative 433 divided by, we have 640. So we have obtained cosine of C, that's negative 433 over 640, but we do not need cosine of C. What we need here is angle C. So what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse cosine on both sides. So that means C must become equal to cosine inverse of negative 433 divided by 640. Fine. So C comes out to be, so when you plug this value into a calculator, we're going to get 132.58 degrees. So this is going to be the angle measure. So therefore C, which is the greatest angle of the triangle, is going to have a measure of 132.58 degrees.